Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? Let's get back to gold because there are all kinds of records being set. And as I stated before, do what they do, not what they say. And a large amount of you are doing just that. Running over to Money Metals to pick up great deals on precious metals. Right now is a good time because the premiums went down. So add to your stack. Before we get started, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so. Because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. If you're thinking about buying gold and silver, head on over to our friends at Money Metals Exchange. The link will be down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code PIMPYSILVER. Yes, it has changed. PIMPYSILVER. So if you're watching this video and it's an older video, make sure you check on current videos because the code is going to be changing from time to time from now on. Also, I can be found on other platforms. Everybody knows I have my own website, Pimpy's News Network. Over here, I post videos that I can't get away with over on YouTube. Also, I have a group on Facebook called Pimpy's Investment Chat. Over here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. Come on over here and join us. It's free to do so. You can also come follow me on Twitter, MeWe, YouTube, and Odyssey. The links for all these platforms will be down below in the description. So for whatever reason, if I get removed off of one platform, you could find me on the others. So I was talking to people about the UFO video that I posted. I said, there's another part to that, by the way. You'll see what I'm talking about. The video is weird. When you see what I'm talking about, there's no explanation for it. It's just, yeah, I mean, you'll see what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen the first video, you guys, I posted a video about a UFO that I caught that's, well, I keep saying see-through, but it's not really see-through. It's more, cloaked is what it is. Check it out and let me know what you think. All right, what's going on with cryptos? They've been kind of in a downswing now for the last couple of days. We're looking at Bitcoin at $24,132. Ethereum's at $1,647. XRP's at 39 cents. Cardano is at 38 cents. Polygon's at $1.37. Dogecoin still at 8 cents. Hex is at 6 cents. Solana is at $23.63. Polkadot's at $7.10. Shiba is at 4013, still hanging tight. Litecoin dropped down below Shiba. What happened? You're at $94.20. Terra Luna Classic's at 30162. It was up there around 18, so it looks like it's dropped just a little bit. 2.56%. Satama is at 2026. It has dropped 3.95%, but still holding on to that 2.6 level, which is good. I mean, Satama's been doing pretty decently. I'm shocked that it has performed so well considering all that's going on with cryptocurrencies. Gold is at $1,837.40 for the day so far. It has had a rough month, but is just hanging in there. Silver at $21.82, trying to get back above that $22. And just like gold, it's had a pretty rough month too, but that doesn't mean anything. Look, they're trying to drive the prices down just because they're stocking up on a ton of it. You can take a look here. Gold demand surges to an 11-year high in 2022 on colossal central bank buying. You have to ask yourself, why are all the central banks stocking up so much on gold? What the heck is going on? Well, there's a lot of people out there that seem to think that there might be a time frame in which these things might blow up. And that might be sometime towards the end of this year. If that's the case, well, then I'm just going to keep stacking up as much as possible. They believe that there's a huge movement getting ready to take place right after a crash happens. My guess is that they're going to think that the gold is going to bail them out of whatever crash is coming. They just won't announce it till the time is right. And I don't think they're ready for that yet, and is why they're driving the prices down. As I stated earlier, quite a few of you moved over to Money Metals. This is a good move. Just hold tight. That's all you got to do. And don't trip off when the prices go all the way up or all the way down. Just hold on to your metals. For those of you asking, once again, I'll tell you, if there's confiscation, the day they make that announcement is the day that all your orders are going to go right out into the mail. You guys got to remember that Stephen works with representatives, senators, to try to do what he can to bring this country to sound money. So I'm pretty sure he'll get a heads up if anything major happens. Okay, so I wouldn't worry about it. If you have your gold and silver with them, I wouldn't stress it at all. Annual gold demand jumps up 18% to 4,741 tons, excluding over-the-counter or OTC trading across the year. That's the largest annual figure since 2011, fueled by a record fourth quarter demand of 1,337 tons. That's a pretty big chunk there in the last quarter. Key to the surge was a 55-year-old high of 1,136 tons bought by central banks across the year. The industry-backed group revealed, noting that the majority of these purchases were unreported. What? This marked a 152% increase from 2021 when central banks bought just 450 tons of gold. They bought 450 tons all in 2021, but bought more than twice that in 2022. So every year it increases. They double every year. And that's been going on now, I think for 3 years or 4 years. So again, you have to ask yourself, why is that happening? What is really going on? And is why I keep saying, be prepared for it. Central bank's net purchase for quarter four totaled 4,107 tons, lifting H2 totals buying to 862 tons. So what is really going on? What do they know that we don't know? That's why I keep saying, forget what they're telling you, do what they do, and buy gold. Okay, if you can't afford gold, buy silver. It's all one the same pretty much. Remember, if you can't afford a full ounce of gold, that doesn't mean you're out of the game. If you come over here to Money Metals, once again, I'll show you. You go to gold, whether you're doing rounds or bars, either one, just pick one. I like looking at the bars myself. So you can see how much a 1 ounce of gold costs in a bar, okay? But look, there's fractionals, you guys. You don't have to buy a full bar, a full ounce. 1/10 of gold is $188. 1 gram is $81.35. A half a gram is $43. So if you can't afford the full gram, at least pick something up. Remember, what you're trying to do is preserve your wealth. And when I say wealth, people go, well, I'm not wealthy. No, it's not what I mean. If you have anything worth of value, buying gold is going to help you protect that. I showed you how gold has preserved their purchasing power for over a century. So, look, do yourself a favor and your family a favor. Protect your family, protect your wealth, buy gold, buy silver. Make sure you're out of the system, because you can see already there's a major push to get everybody into the central bank digital currency. There's many reports that saying that those will be launched by the end of this year, so make sure you are in position. Anyways, that's it for now. Look forward to you guys' comments, and I'll get back at you later. I'm out.